What's up, YouTube? LOD Hitman back again with part 3 of this pack opening. I've already tried to record this video twice and messed
But
up.
it's the third videos of the series, so the third time's the charm.
That's right. Last night we actually filmed parts 1 and 2, and we fell asleep, so now we're doing part 3 this morning. Sorry if you hear any background noise. I have my window open. So let's start off. I started to record this, so we have the first 2 packs already opened on the Duelist Pack USA 3, so let's start there.
And so, Talent Scouts, that means we're going to demonstrate Brother Josh's Hitman's acting skills when he pretends to be, when he reacts as if he's seeing these 2 packs of cards for the first time. So pay attention, Talent Scouts. Take note.
Oh, wow. Starlight Road. This isn't the 4th time I've got this card. Desperate Tag. That's actually a really cool card. I like that card. Yeah. So I don't mind getting another one.
Yeah, good illustration, too.
And I got Strategy Card 1. So that's cool. Now this pack, on the other hand, woo-wee. Yeah.
Didn't see that one coming, man.
I got this cool 4-star tuner, Bryce Agrod. So very happy about that. Got Battle Waltz as well. And I got a checklist. Duelist Pack USA 3 checklist. So very cool. That was a good pack.
Hey, I'm as surprised as you are.
All right, let's get to it. Pack number 3.
All right, now we're having the first genuinely open for the first time pack of this 3rd video.
All right, AD Changer, Shield Wing. Oh, an Effect Veiler. All right, I'll take it. Effect Veiler is a great card, so definitely happy to get that. Damage Eater, Variety comes out, and Strategy Card 6. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me pick that up. Dropped it, and there you go. Throw that back in there. And last of the USA 3. Hopefully I picked something good for this last one. If not, we have a bunch more packs. All right. Got Power Frame. And all right, awesome. 1-star super rare Boost Warrior. This card you can barely super rare, and I guess it's not. I see like lines of going up and down. I'm assuming this is not a worthy enough candidate to get graded. All right, Synchro Gift, Drill Synchron. Variety comes out. Strategy Card 3. Very cool. Well, what do you know? I'm really trying to push that catch line. Okay. Now let's go with my man Crow here. All right. Let's see what he has. That pack just disintegrated. Okay. We got Strategy Card 1. All right. Blackwing Mistral, the Silver Shield. Oh, nice. Super rare. Blackwing Armor Master. Awesome. Super awesome. All right. Blackwing Silver Wind, the Ascendant. Against the Wind, and Blackwing Gust of Back Blast.
What was the card?
It was Blackwing Armor Master.
No, the tip card.
Oh, Strategy Card 1.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Put that in there. All right, Blackwing Strafe, Backlash, Blackwing Gale the Whirlwind, Blackwing Gust the Backblast, Blackwing Blizzard the Far North. Ooh, and a Crow checklist. All right. I like the checklists.
Likewise. First COD series I noticed the checklist in was actually the Garbage Pail Kids sticker series in the early to mid 80s.
You can see how old James is. Then again, I'm only, what, 5 years younger than you?
Yeah, like 5 or 6, yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
So, let's see what we got in this
All
one.
those young whippersnappers, you know,
Right there,
with
Sonny.
their electricity and their, you know, and their fire
And their
and their wheel.
iPhones and their
Yeah, well, that too, yeah.
their tablets.
iPhones and tablets, what are those?
All right, we got Black Thunder, Raptor Wing Strike, Blackwing Armed Wing, cards for Black Feathers, Delta Crow Anti-Reverse, and Strategy Card 9. Very cool. Was hoping to get some kind of ultra rare out of one of these packs. I did get one before, but you know, I wanted another one for this video. Something super cool that you don't see every day. There you go. All right, we got Strategy Card 8. Skull Invitation. Oh, nice. Oh man, if I got a Blackwing Dragon, that'd be awesome. Ooh, is that a hollow that I see? It's kind of got like a little dent in it from the back, so we'll see. Blackwing Mistral the Silver Shield, and nope, Raid Raptor. Actually, Raptor Wing Strike. Raid Raptor's different cards. Blackwing Sure the Blue Flame. Delta Crow Anti-Reverse, cards for Black Feathers. Strategy Card 8. Okay, got a lot of the same cards here. Getting a lot of the same cards. Okay. Let's skip ROD, of course, because, you know, best pack. Let's go into Cyberdark Impact. Let's mix it up this video. I want to do things a little different. Let's go Galactic Overlord. All right. Okay, Gaga Gardner. That Wacky Magic. Cool card. Cool looking card. All right. Commander of Swords. All right. Wattail Dragon. Pretty cool. That's dragon form of 2500 attack, 6-star vanilla monster. All right, it's getting a little hot in here, so let me rush through this. That way we can get back to getting chilled off. Red-headed Oni, cool. And Absorbing Jar, ooh. Another one. You'll never beat Summon Skull. That's just a cooler card. Okay. Alright. Falling Current. Okay, double payback. Ancient Dragon. Woo. Oh, nice. Heretic Dragon King of Atum. Very cool. Super rare. Awesome. Bright Star Dragon. 1900 attack, 4-star. When this card is normal summon, you can target one face-up monster on the field. Except this card. Increase that target's level by 2 until the end phase. Ah, Actually, pretty cool card. Can be used with the combinations. I like that. Very cool. Happy to have gotten that one too. That seems like the kind of card that would be short printed, but that's pretty good. Doesn't really have a drawback. All right. Nomadic Force. That's cool. Looks like Exile Force. All right. Wow, that's a lot of stars and tributes for a 0/0 attack dragon monster. If it's a dragon, you know, it's metal dragon, some kind of thing. All right, Heretic Dragon of Asar or Azer or something like that. All right, Doom Donuts, cool. See, like Doom Donuts is 1-star 0/0 attack. You know, and it has a flip effect. Destroy all face-up monsters on the field with an attack or defense of 0. Original attack or defense. You know, that this card could destroy this card. This 1-star monster could destroy this 7-star monster right here. You know, 8-star or whatever it is. I don't know. So anyway, let me hurry up a little bit because it's getting. We'll go with Cyber Dark Impact next. Okay. Damn. Oh, Chain Strike. Another Barrier Statue of the Abyss. Barrier Statue of the Trot. And Blasting Fuse. Alright. Copy. Dark Lucius level 4. Oh, that's right. I got that that other Dark Lucius last night. Level 8. That was cool. That's in, I think, video 2. I got that one in, if I'm not mistaken. So that was cool. Okay. Instant Fusion. Excuse me. Instant Fusion, great card. Straight Flush. And Lightning Punisher. That guy actually looks really cool, like cool anime character. Ooh, Queen's Bodyguard. Alright. Okay. Let's get to this one and this one. Let's try this one next. See what we get from here. Instant Fusion. I'll keep taking them. Alright, Barrier Statue. Vanity's Fiend. Alright. Very cool. Barrier Statue. Snipe Hunter, I'll take those two. Got the playset now. That was the third one. Playset of Snipe Hunters. Last pack of Cyber Dark Impact. Alright. And sorry guys if I haven't been posting as much lately. You know, I've been really busy at work, so I really haven't had too much time. This is more my side kind of thing. I need to work to buy packs, so. Anyway, Cyber Ogre. Mystical Wind Typhoon, like Mystical Space Typhoon, okay. Barrier Statue of the Heavens, Straight Flush, and Combo Master. Okay, so I didn't get another holo out of this. Another Snipe Hunter, got more than a playset then. Okay. So not too great with the Cyber Dark Impacts. But we'll see. Next, we'll go to Photon Shockwave. All right. Okay. Good. Open up easy for me. Lava Lance Lord. Alright. Abon. Ice Bond. Something like that. Okay. 1 day of peace. Okay. Mirror Mail. That's actually a really cool looking card. And Plasma Ball. Okay. Oh, this pack kind of just like disintegrated. Alright, Luminize, Goblin, Pothole Squad, Cobra. Okay, and Baby Dragon. Nah. Okay. Who doesn't have a Baby Dragon, right? Everybody's got one. All right, there we go. Photon Saber Tiger. All right. Wow, 3 stars only. Right, they're okay. All right, last pack. Let's hope for the best possible outcome in this pack. Let's hope for it.
Remember, hope along with us. Even though this video is recorded, your hoping afterward can actually change the contents inside this bag.
That's funny. Let's see. Needle Sunfish, Fish Rain, Space Cyclone, Damage Diet, XYZ Territory, and nope. A Traffic Control, Luvu Dual Slasher, Corno, Evital, Adonto. Okay. That pack felt a little puffy for some reason. Let me see if there was an extra card in there. There was not. Okay, and now we're down to the last of the last. Rise of Destiny. Okay.
This is where we take the kid gloves off, people.
This is where we do. Let's see what we can pull. And of course, they're going to be super hard to open. Back to square one. All right, Harpy Lady 2. And Gaia Solar Combustible Collective. I have that already, like ultimate. So that's fine. Harpy Lady 3. Okay. All we need is that Harpy Lady 1. Mighty Guard, Mirage Dragon, Harpy's Hunting Ground, Raging Flame Sprite, Chain Burst is the rare, Pitch Black Werewolf. Alright, and there goes that Harpy Lady 1. Alright, Astral Barrier. Okay. Sorry if you hear a little thumping around, that's my cat going nuts. He's crazy.
Oh.
His name is Chaos, so you can imagine. Let's see. Second to last pack of this opening. Let's try to speed this along so that way. My memory doesn't fill up.
FYI, we're at 20 minutes now.
Let me speed this sucker up. All right. Okay. Flint is the rare.
In like Flint.
Okay. Okay. Okay, last pack, guys. Wish me luck. I want to end this on something good. All right, Creeping Doom Manta, RP 82, Tactical Espionage Expert, Element Magician, and Sasuke Samurai number 4. Invasion of Flames, Malice Dispersion, Foxfire, and Eagle Eye. Okay, well, didn't end it off with what I wanted, but at least I don't think I have that Sasuke Samurai number 4, so you know, that's cool. Let me throw that back in there. Okay, well, that was the pack opening, guys. Sorry we didn't end off with a holo, but I did get a lot of holos throughout this entire pack opening, or foils, whatever you want to call them. Holos, foils, I call them holos. That's how I learned back in the day. But I appreciate you guys all sticking around for it. I'm just gonna mention the contest real quick for those that want to hear about it. The contest for a couple packs of cards. To win the contest, you have to promote my channel somehow. Put me on Facebook, maybe on your YouTube channel, whatever. Maybe put a link in your bio, and whoever lets me know that they're doing it, and if I get a few followers from you doing it, then I will give you those packs of cards. I just need someone to help me get a couple more followers, and the packs are yours. If it turns into a real contest where people are actually 2 or 3 people decide to do it, then whoever gives me the most followers, which at the time you let me know, and then if I jump up 20 people, 50 people, whatever, and that's more than the other person, then I'm gonna give you the packs. But to make it fair for those that do try, if you do try and I see that I did get a lot of followers from you, I will go out, I will buy something for you, and I will send it to you via mail. You know, it might be 2 packs, you know, might be a cheap booster box or something. We'll see. Not booster box, excuse me. Excuse me, like a structure deck or something, not a booster box. Let me not say that. But yeah, whatever I get, you know, I will let you know. And if you are the winner, and yeah, thanks for watching. Take care, guys.